Hi first graders, welcome back. I'm here to help you with your math today. Today we're going to be working on the count on with quarters and nickels. So go ahead and flip to that page and start by putting your first and last name at the top of the page like every almost second grader does. I'm going to go ahead and put Mrs. Arsons at the top of my paper. Now the first thing I want to do is remind you what some of the coins look like and what they're worth. Now I have a quarter. It looks like this. It's got a head on it. And on the back side, there is a picture of an eagle spreading his wings. Now, a quarter is worth 25 cents. Now we also have a nickel. Find a nickel in my bag. I did. It has on the back side, it has a picture of a building. And on the front side, it has a picture of Thomas Jefferson. So it's a little bit smaller than a quarter in size, but a nickel is only worth 5 cents. A quarter is worth how much? 25. Nickel is worth what? 5 cents. Now today we're just going to be working with our nickels and our quarters. So I'm going to go ahead and take those out of my bag. If you have some at home, it might help with your schoolwork to get some nickels and some quarters out. Now we're going to go to our first one, and I'm going to help you with. It has a quarter, which is worth 25, and it has 1 nickel. 1 nickel is worth how much again? 5 cents. So we're gonna go ahead and write down what they're worth right underneath. A quarter, the big one, is worth 25. So I'm gonna write 25, 2, and a 5. And then a nickel is worth 5 cents. So I'm going to go ahead and write 5 under the smaller nickel. Now 25 plus 5, well, it sounds like we're counting up by 5s. So let's see, if I start at 25 and I add 5 more, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, okay, equals 30. Another way that I could have solved that is I could have counted by 5s. Let's see, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 plus 5 more, 30. Okay, 25 plus 5 would give us 30. I just used the counting up method. That works too. So over here in this side, we're going to write that the total equals 30 cents. I wonder what you could buy with 30 cents. Let's do our next one. We have 1 quarter. Now a quarter is worth 25 cents, so let's go ahead and write 25 underneath. 25 is written with a 2 and a 5, and the 2 goes first. And it looks like we have 3, 1, 2, 3 nickels. So 3 of these smaller nickels. One side has the picture of the guy with the head. The other side has the building. See, they're trying to trick us here. They're trying to make you look at this and go, oh, these are different. No, they're the same. It's just got 2 different pictures on the nickel. So this is still going to be 5 cents, 5 cents, 5 cents. Now, we could count up. We could start at 25 and count up 5 and then count up 5 again and then count up 5 again. That's one way to do it. But this time we might want to try the counting by 5s method. So let's start at 25. Let's see. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Okay, we're going to count up. 25, 30, 35, 40. Since we stopped right there at 40, we're going to write 40 over here in this far right column, and 40 is written with a 4 and a 0. Now let's do one more together. Let's do, we have 2 quarters. Now remember, a quarter is worth 25 cents. And again, they're trying to trick you. They put the picture of the eagle on one side on your paper, right here. And then the other side is the picture of the head. So each one of those quarters is worth 25 cents. So we're going to go ahead and write 25. 25. And then 2 nickels. A nickel is worth 5 cents. Every time we see a nickel, 5 cents. So we're going to go ahead and write 5 and write 5 again. Now, a good thing to remember is that when you have 2 quarters, 25 plus 25, it gives us 50 cents. Now, you could start at 25 and count up 25 more times to figure that out. Or you could count by 5s and go 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Or, how else could you count up? I want to hear some of your methods. How would you find out what 25 plus 25 is? Now, 25 and 25, I did the count up method by counting by 5s, and I added 25 more. I could use my number line that I have way up high in our classroom. I could start at 25 and I could hop 25 more times, or I could hop by 5s until I land all the way on 50. So we'll stop there. 25 plus 25 gives us 50. And then we're gonna add 5 more. 50 plus 5 is 55. And then 55 plus 5 more, I'm gonna count up. 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. I landed at 60, and I'm gonna write 60 over here in my far right total column. And that's it for today.